Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. So today guys, I will be reviewing the theme, the outfit of the new theme. So I'm sorry I'm like really late because I just got my computer back and I really need to change my status. I actually got back my computer and I'm really happy. Well, I didn't get it back. Like, someone came to fix it. So, yeah. I'm really happy for that. Actually, I can't be bothered. I'm changing my status later. So, guys, I will be showing you guys, like, all the clothes and, yeah. So, I made an outfit on this theme on mobile, but who knows, I might, like, change it up a bit. But I think this is like really like teenage, not teenagey, like frenzy, like part of this theme. And also guys, there is a Valentine's, something to do with Valentine's diamond pack. And I am actually like, yeah, it's like nearly Valentine's, not really my favorite because, what are you gonna do? Oh, it's $40. I checked on mobile and it said 44. Weird. Anyway, guys, so, yeah. So, I have not gone on my, England account. Yeah, UK, on the UK. And, yeah, I need to go on that too and find an app for that. But first, we're gonna go on this server. So let's check this theme. Oh wait, ooh, good present. Prezzies. Okay, I'm so happy I can talk on this. Like, I literally just like found out how to talk on this, and I fixed it. And hey, I'm talking. Okay, guys. So this theme is called Friends Forever, and I don't know. So this is called Friends Forever. I think this is kind of cute. Maybe not with the jacket. Maybe I need to hide the belt too. I think I might make an outfit of this. This looks cute. I really just don't like, blue. I can just change the color. Like, I don't like the green. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Because I did not like the green. This should not be 800. Like, no, this like literally like should not be 800. Are you serious? Like this? No, I would not put this as 800. I'll like leave it like plain. But like, I barely wouldn't even use this because there is a checkered one somewhere. Yeah. Ew. Oh, they don't look that bad, but they look horrible when you just look at them. So I actually like this. It's really cute, and it will go. Ooh, that is so cute. That is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try like finding checkered, like kind of like, where is it? I think I have it. I don't know, but I'm just gonna have a look at it. We got that. Okay. Like, I'm trying to go with, oh, cute. I know my friend, like, if you saw that video, I gave my friend a makeover. Oh, that is so cute. I'm getting these in, like, different, that is so cute. Oh, this is so friendly. Okay, I am definitely getting this. Yes. This is so good. And I'm going to get another jacket color because you don't want just gray. So, guys, I am going to go back to this theme. I'm going to get the waist jacket. So, these are just like the things. This theme isn't my very, favorite. But, it's not that bad, I guess. Checkers. Yes, I'm getting this. This is like so like, oh, choker. Okay, just gonna use this version, I guess. I don't all the time do this, only when I'm in a good mood, and I am in a good mood right now, so. Yes, I don't know what to gift her. I don't know. I wish I could gift diamond stuff, because I have like 2 diamond stuff. What am I gonna do with them? I say VIP, because I got like billions of these, and I do not know what to do with them. See, look, guys, I have like 2, like I'm the same one, what? Okay, guys, so let's just get this jacket thing. I think this jacket thing is cute. Like, wow, there's like so many jacket things. This looks like, oh, chickadee. Oh, look at this. Oh, what? Oh, what? Okay, this is like so weird. Oh, wait, no, look at that. I'm chickadees. So, this is so weird. Like, pretty much this whole thing is like chickadee. Okay, my voice. Okay, so, I'm acting real childy right now. Yeah, and I have no idea what this like jacket thing is. I don't know. Is it only like on mobile? Cause like I cannot find it here. Yeah, I cannot find it here. Yeah, I can't find it. Oh, that was quick. Anyway, guys, so that is the theme. I'm probably gonna go on my UK server, so see you guys on that server. Okay, guys, so I'm currently on my UK account, and I just realized I'm still in Christmas clothes, so I really need a change. So, yeah, let's just go to my dressing room, and, ew, I literally have, like, nothing in here. Let's get changed. So, let's do this. So, guys, this is my outfit. And I really do not like it. I really want to go to the shops and like buy something, especially with my lips. Like, look at them. Ew. So, we're going to go to the beauty clinic and we're going to pick some lips because they just look ugly. So, I like getting like one of these. No. I like getting like oh, that's a cute one. I'm getting that one. So that's really nice. I think that's pretty. I need to get some star coins, so I'm probably gonna go in high scores or something. So see you guys when I got some star coins, cause look. Okay, guys, so I couldn't be bothered really doing, like, clicking the bets the whole time, and, like, it's just so boring. So, guys, I have, like, 406, star coins to spend, so, yeah, this is not really pleasanting, if that's even a word. But, guys, ew, why did I make this like 700 star coins? Disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna try finding like a really nice hair, not from that theme, because, no, that is disgusting, and I do not want to see that. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this like really gaming, and, yeah. So, yeah, I do not know what, like, hair I'm going to pick, because this will kind of be really hard, because, so, guys, I'm probably going to end the video here. Make sure you like this video and comment down below, if you have an account on the UK server, or like you gave it away or something like that, like just comment down below. I am just looking at some hairs I can buy, cause, your girl does not have hair on this account. So if you do have an account on here, and if you do, you have star coins and stuff or diamonds, I'm not asking for grades, but if you can, that'll be very nice. Is that like a rare or something? It looks like a rare. It kind of does. Is this like a rare? It looks like the colors of like a rare. I don't know. Like, I'm confused. Okay, guys. Well, if it is a rare. Wow. Okay. If it isn't, I don't know. Yes, I need to get this. I don't even know if it's on my wish list or not. But you know, your girl's adding it. So guys, that's the end of this video. Comment down below what do you want to see next. I'm like buying some hairs or putting on my wish list actually. And before you know it's gonna be, oh, that's cute. No, that's kind of cute. Oh, think about that. Like, they don't go with my makeup and stuff. It's kind of cute. Am I? Cute. Okay, guys. So, yeah, comment down below what you want to see next. And comment down below some video ideas. And also, guys, when I go back to school, well, you know, I'm just, like, living in Australia for a bit. So, when I go back to... It might even be shorter than, like, 3 months. Like, who knows? But when we go back to America, when we go back to America, when I go back to school, I will be really busy. So I am so sorry about that. If I am really busy and I cannot upload, because during the week I'm probably not going to be able to spend a lot of time on MSP. So it'll probably just be like the weekends when I'm like uploading. So guys, I hope you guys like appreciate the videos that I'm doing now, and I'm sorry that I won't have a lot of time because like we're doing more work when we go back because I remember my teacher saying that, and she said that we're going to be doing more work than last part, like 2018 part of that, you know, my grade. So guys, I hope you understand, and thank you guys so much for all the support, and thank you guys so much. Everything so much. So much. Why did I like just say that again? Okay. Like, why is like my like voice like that? Like, but thank you guys so much for everything that you guys have done for me, and I just want to say thank you, and see you guys in the next video, and make sure you comment down below some video ideas. Bye.